Welcome back to another RTE video. Today, we're going to take a look at the newest Amazon Kindle Scribe update 5.16.2. Since its release, there were several missing note-taking features that just didn't make the Scribe competitive in the e-ink space when compared to the Remarkable and Supernote. So, has Amazon finally done it? In this month's release, along with PDF improvements, at long last, we finally have a Lasso Tool and Handwriting Conversion. So let's take a look. To test out the new features, I've written a note to use as an example. The Lasso Tool will allow you to move and resize objects, along with the ability to cut, copy, and paste across notes and books. The new clipboard will store your copy and allow you to paste elsewhere. You can also clear the contents of the clipboard at any time. Next, to convert handwriting, Amazon has decided to implement it using the share functionality. The share menu will now display the option to convert and send via email. After using it for the first time, a pop-up appears, letting you know the default language being used to convert. You can change the language at any time by going into the settings. The email will provide a link to the text document. Per the message, the link will expire in 7 days if not retrieved. As you can see, it wasn't 100% accurate in converting the handwriting. I would have preferred that the conversion appear on the Scribe instead, but at least it's a start. And now, my final thoughts. Although still not at the same level as Remarkable or Supernote, for me, it's finally a recommended buy. For those that are Kindle fans and heavily invested in the ecosystem, this is a device that can reach the masses, one that will help introduce e-ink note-taking to a much larger audience. I'm thrilled that Amazon appears to be listening to feedback and gradually releasing improvements through continuous updates. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe. This has been RTE. See you in the next video.